Big thanks to Kamado Joe for sponsoring this episode.
Hey, my name is Morrison and today we're making pork. And if you want to follow along this recipe, just go to our website, you can find the recipe there. I have an appetite for pork and I want to make pork neck. And you know why? I just love pork. I want to do a gyros. We in the Netherlands, we say gyros. Zeg gewoon gyros. We maken gewoon lekker gyros. But the thing is, I want to approach this Greek gyros as somebody that doesn't have all the equipment for it. So I want to make this on my kettle, Joe, and I want to do it without any equipment. So I'm gonna do it totally different than any Greek would tell me, and I'll probably get lynched for it. But well, I'm just gonna show you. We're gonna start with a rub. For a traditional gyros rub, I'm gonna start with 1 part oregano, 1/4 part salt, 1/2 part of paprika powder, 3/4 of thyme, 1/2 part of garlic powder, 1/2 part of cumin powder, 1/4 part of dried basil, and 1/4 part of chili powder. And then add onion powder and black pepper as much as you prefer. I'm using 1/4 part for each. Now it's time for a pork neck to get some flavor. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil, but not too much. Wrap that in and get it on all sides. Now get a small layer on it and don't use that much. You're gonna need it later on. I'm gonna tell you all about it. Fired up the kamado and now it's time to put in the grill grates. As you can see, I've put a block right here to protect the coals from getting too hot. I need an indirect zone and a direct zone. I'm gonna place the grill grates in and now it's time to grill. Now here comes the fun part. We build up a good crust and this is the moment that you want to slice it off. So this is why I have that indirect zone. I'm gonna set it aside, right here. Gonna let the fire do its thing while we slice it off. I'm gonna set it in my little tray and I got this knife with some dents in it and this is perfect for slicing off little pieces. Just like that. Of course, that's why I needed that amount of rub, because every time that we slice something off, we're gonna get some new rub on. So we keep continuing this process, build up as much crust as we can, slice it off, take it aside, and continue the process. Now, it's time to serve up. All right, I'm gonna be honest, it took a long time. It took a long time and I hope it's worth it.
Oh man, I'm hungry, it's cold. We did this.
Let's try.
It tastes like the real deal. Yeah, definitely, because the herbs and the spices you put on together with the tzaziki, I really love it.
I woke up this morning. I had such a hunger for pork. It was incredible. So all I could think of was pork. I had to make this and now Eva's addicted too. And come on man, this whole process is so slow. I need to finish this.
I think it's a lot of work to get these small bites, but it's definitely worth it. You really get like all the herbs and all the spices, like every bite is really nice. I enjoy this. I can eat this all day.
All right, I'm coming.
Oh yes, more.
It's like the whole process now is different. You gotta keep continuing to grill.
I like this style though.
I love it because you know you can drink beer, you can continue.
More food.
More food.
More tzaziki.
Let's be honest, on every facet of this whole dish. It was hard work.
It's a lot of work for it.
It's a hassle.
Yeah.
And the only way that I did this, why I did this, was I wanted to show the people that live on a 1-bedroom apartment with 1 balcony that you can do this. And because I wanted to show that, I thought to myself, I want to use no equipment whatsoever. Only coals, a grill grate, and a piece of pork. No rotation, no nothing, no meat fork, just...
This was hardcore grilling.
Just hardcore grilling, yeah. And if you can do it like that, then I can show them that it is possible to do a sort of kebab style on your balcony.
It takes hard work,
Yeah.
but the plus side is every time when you put on these herbs, they stick to these small parts.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's what I really love.
The pork neck that I used was maybe a little bit over-exaggerated.
It was an expensive pork neck.
Yeah, but also maybe too big for this kind of grilling.
Yeah.
If you had a smaller piece of this, would you do it on your balcony?
Yeah, definitely. Windows open, let's do that.
All right, we should close off.
We should close off.
I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Next time you'll see Pitmaster again, back at it. And in the meantime, drop a comment down below what you think about this. Did you make your own gyros on a different way? Tell us about it, give us more ideas. Say hi to your mama and papa.
Hello, Dad and Mom.
Everybody, I want to say, I want to thank all the patrons and the YouTube members. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling.
Gyros, like we say. Gyros.
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 Nou, we say gyros. Hey man, what are you doing? You're eyeballing me.
She wants more gyros.